Vai, Leandro.
Vai, Leandro.
Vai.
Can you play something on the drums for us? What's your favorite song? How long have you been playing the drums? Go, Leandro. Oh, you finished. Oh, nice.
Acabou?
He puts the sticks down when he's done, and then he picks up his cell phone. Oh, I think.
No.
Oh, more. Yeah, hit the cowbell. You are the man. Woo-hoo. Thank you. Good job, Leandro. 2 years old. Woo.